Shri Ramdev Group of Companies stands proudly among the global leaders in the stainless steel industry. Our story began in 1972 when Shri Prabhu Dayalji Dharmaji Purohit started Utensils Trading Company. Shri Ramdev Group of Companies comprises of specialized business units, each strategically positioned to deliver cutting-edge solutions across the stainless steel manufacturing ecosystem. SRM LLP Coil Service Center, started in 2004, is a process manufacturing company supplying stainless steel products to major OEMs with a commitment to unmatched quality. With a monthly stainless steel processing capacity that exceeds 7,500 metric tons, we are well equipped to efficiently manage large-scale orders with ease. MP Industries, founded in 1988, focuses on the manufacturing of tri-ply cookwares and stainless steel circles in various grades and sizes. With a robust production capacity, our facility specializes in manufacturing high-precision stainless steel circles and premium cookwares components. Our integrated technological ecosystem and expert workforce guarantee superior product performance and consistent quality. At MP Industries, our comprehensive cookware manufacturing setup is equipped with advanced machinery, specialized finishing equipment and a skilled inspection team to manufacture cookwares of highest quality and durability. SRMM LLP Auto Division specializes in providing high-quality stainless steel components and accessories designed to enhance performance, durability, and aesthetics. Our 500-ton presses and laser cutting technologies enable us to produce automotive components like exhaust systems, mufflers, grills, and engine parts. Certified by ISO 9001 and IATF 16049, we engineer stainless steel components that set industry benchmarks for corrosion resistance, strength, and durability. SRMM LLP Pipe Division serves as a premier destination for high-quality stainless steel pipes and tubes, delivering superior products that meet the standards of our clients. Our technical capabilities encompass pipe diameters from 8 OD to 127 OD and material thicknesses between 0.2 mm to 6 mm, delivering precision-engineered solutions for critical industrial infrastructure. At Shri Ramdev Group, our product range includes stainless steel sheets and blanks, number 4 and number 8 finishes, Scotch-Brite and hairline finishes, and we also trade in decorative finish sheets. Our materials support automotive applications, including exhaust systems, mufflers, grills, and engine parts, along with premium tri-ply cookware and pipes. With a diverse range of stainless steel materials, we cater to critical industries like automotive, elevators, construction, pharmaceuticals, and cookware. Our manufacturing facilities are strategically located in Taloja and Vasai in Navi Mumbai, and with sales offices distributed nationwide, we maintain a strong presence across India. We source premium raw materials from top suppliers like POSCO Korea, POSCO Vietnam, POSCO Thinox, JFE, Nippon Steel, and Outokumpu, ensuring only top-quality stainless steel enters our facility. Spanning an impressive 87,000 square feet, the facility offers ample space for advanced production processes and cutting-edge machinery. Sri Ramdev Group of Companies, a legacy defined by quality, reliability, and excellence.